Hello guys, today we were going to talk about search engine optimization for titles. That has been a big confusion out there, and let me show you by real-time example how to do this. I'm going to go on my screen inside eBay and show you how we optimize titles for new coming 2021. So this is one of the tricks, if you like. Before we go any further, here is something for you to remember. I will gonna use one example for you to show exactly how we optimize titles, and that's why our listings has been sold more than 80%. What I mean is 80% of all listings we got sold just because of this trick, if you like. And the trick is very simple. Let me use one of the browsing histories, the glue here. All right. For example, and that's actually what we are doing. Okay, so what it is if you do like this, shoe go repair adhesive for fixing worn shoes. I want to show you the first part, which is a big mistake, and that's why most of you are not getting results if you do the way I will gonna show you right now. If you copy this part and if you go to eBay, and let's say you paste on eBay that part of the Amazon's title, you are going to see 44 results here, right? So, which means 44 results here you're going to see, and those results showing you what? Those results showing you that there is a lot of people who are selling the same stuff with exactly the same title, like shoe go repair, 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 shoe go repair. Nothing different. You are one of them. Shoe go repair, shoe go repair, shoe go repair, and so on, so on. So 44 people use the same stuff. How can you make differentiate? How can you differentiate from them? So how you can optimize title in a way that you are not becoming one of them, right? But it's not very productive in this way to do the things. Okay, again, let's go in there and see what's happening, and we can see it's just all sorts of nothing. Even the sponsored items we're not gonna show you separate somehow, because everybody is doing just the same titles. This is not what the title optimization is. What we are doing is we are totally different. We do in a totally different way in our trainings. So let me show you now how to do this. Okay, when you go here and you see, okay, this is kind of like think what is the good one, and you can see obviously that it has been selling on eBay quite a bit. Okay, for those different prices people are getting them, but how can you outstand with the title, with the CEO of the title and the keywords? How can you make yourself different and sell? Because they are fighting for sales here, right? And what is that you can do different here? So one thing is, and this is very simple, go to Amazon, okay, and do something like this. What this basically is a shoe go repair adhesive for fixing worn shoes or boots. Okay, so take this one, repair adhesive for fixing worn shoes. Copy this part because this is kind of like the main keyword for this particular product. Okay, cool. Now paste it here on Amazon to find out what else would be under this keyword here. Okay, and you can see that there is a lot of products under this keyword. There is something even for triple price almost. Okay, because this one, the previous one was $5, right? One simple way how to do this. Boot fix shoe glue, instant professional grade. Now, repair glue. Let's find out if people are actually selling this one here on eBay. Okay, let's go on eBay again, and we paste on eBay the title here, and what we can see is 35 results selling the glue for the same purpose, right? And instead of having all red, now we got all yellow here. Okay, so let me just double check. Yeah, that's all of them are yellow and nothing is in red. So what it is a boot fix. That's basically how we go here. I will gonna sell I was gonna sell the same glue, not the same glue, but under the same kind of like the same, but upgraded a little bit title to this product here. Okay, but I will adjust the title to my product. Okay, how do we do this? And let me do this in a real life time. Okay, I will go and let's say open my eBay and put something on sell. Okay. Now, what I'm selling? I'm selling exactly the same stuff, both fixed glue. Uh, what I'm doing usually is I'm taking the first one suggested by eBay. Here, I take that category. Of course, they said, hey, this is the thing. No, thank you. I will go with my own thing because otherwise they were going to give you like eBay's catalog stuff. So I don't want to match with the eBay's catalog. I go with my own thing. Okay. So thinking. Okay, so obviously I don't have, this is not the brand name Bootfix. I don't have Bootfix. But if I take, this is the Bootfix shoe glue, right? Because it's for the fixing boot. It's Bootfix shoe glue. Instant professional grade shoe repair glue. I don't need twice glue and shoe. I got already shoe once in the title. Don't make your and the repeated words, take it out. Now I have to find out if it's instant and if it's professional grade. Okay, so how do I do that? I go back here and where the section is have a question. I have to instant, is it fast? Fast. And when I type, how fast does it take to dry? It's really 5 minutes, probably about 5 minutes. Yeah, okay, so and dries pretty fast work. It's clear and dries pretty fast. So I would say it's instant. Well, it can be discussable, instant or fast, what the terminology is, how to do this, but about 5 minutes, that's pretty fast, I would say. Next one, is it professional grade, right? I can use that one, grade. What type of glue is this? Strong professional grade, excellent product. Full size tube, professional grade glue, professional grade shoe glue, professional grade. So people says, and this is the customer reviews, people says it's professional grade. So I can use professional grade even if it's not used here on suppliers description, or maybe it's written here. Even if it's not written here, there's a waterproof, another word I can use, this waterproof. But the people said skateboards, for the skateboardist, again, you can just make some specific like niche, but that's what I will gonna stay with. I will stay with, where is my listing? Boot fix shoe glue, because it's for fixing boot fix shoe glue, instant professional grade, and boot fix shoe glue. Waterproof, there was a waterproof, and what else was there? Some, I don't want to use this one because you see, because that was you got the point, right? What direction I'm going. I'm trying to separate myself from everybody else who is selling this one for the $6 here, for the $8, $9, $10, something which is twice expensive, and trying to use their sales performance. Okay, boot fix shoe glue, instant professional grade repair, waterproof sealant for one word, 5 characters. I can put here for let me see what's written here, clear. I can use clear, maybe it's clear. Yeah, okay, I will use clear, because some people maybe will gonna type in specific word which is clear. To go back a little bit to get space here, clear sealant for, I will take away from here, oops, sealant, clear sealant, and I got sealant here. So that's pretty much without for I will gonna go now. Now I got very nice optimized title for separating myself from all the other crowds who are selling this particular glue, and I separated myself. under the folks which are selling expensive boot fix glue, shoe glue, okay, professional grade. So that's how I separate myself with the titles. And because you see what's happening is the people see all those examples here with the 19, 20, 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, 18, 20, 20, 20, and suddenly, and all those are yellows here, right? When you scroll down, all those are yellows. And mine will be red one, which is absolutely completely visible. It's totally opposite, right? Agree? And not only the red one, but also the price. My price will be somewhere, let's say there was $6 there. If I put $12 here, which would be what? Double price. Okay? For double price, I am the cheapest price in the category here. And I have the same, just I'm not using boot fix with the dash inside here, but it's for the fixing boot. Boot fix, I can put quick boot fix. Even one word I would probably change if I would work a little bit around this and find out if I can put quick boot fix shoe glue. Instant professional grade repair, just to make sure you don't repeat the same words in a title, because that's also the part of the auto how you optimize your titles. Okay, so it's pretty easy. I hope you got the idea how you can separate yourself and go from here with the title. So in the next video I will gonna continue this, because I want to complete all settings here and to show you actually how we list the product, how we make titles, how we make keywords, how we make pictures, and all the stuff, description and stuff like this, for you just to see how profitable this is and how easily you can make 50% profit margin. Because people are talking about that, well, eBay dropshipping is not worth of this, and there is only pennies. I am absolutely agree with them, because they do this way. Or they are doing the way previously I showed you with the red. They are in a line with everybody else, and this is not profitable. This is not how you can make money. Okay, you make only pennies. You're fighting for the pennies. What we do, we optimize our titles, we optimize our keywords, we optimize pictures, and separate ourselves in a category where the same product from this, not the same product, but where the same category products are, but we are just in the midst of the totally different products. So I hope you got the point, and please subscribe, and I will gonna share in the next video. We'll just continue in the next video. I hope it's helpful will be so far. Okay, if any questions, please put in the comments. I can address the next in the next video the questions if I will have in the comments here. Okay, thanks guys, and